Practice set 12.1, question number 2. Solve the following equations. First equation, that is 17p minus 2 is equal to 49. Okay, this is our example. Here in this equation, in one variable, see, p is the variable, p is our variable, 17 into p, okay, minus 2, and this 49. Now here 17p and minus 2 are not like terms, because here p with 17 is our coefficient, 17 is our coefficient, and this is variable. Now here only 2 means minus 2, means here only 2, here only 49. There is no any variable. So these two are called like terms, and like terms we take together. Like terms we take together. Did you get it? 17p is different than these two because there is variable p, but here no any variable. So we take these two together. Therefore 17p is equal to, we take 2 to the, means this minus 2 to the right side. When this minus 2 goes to right side, then minus becomes plus, plus becomes minus, multiplication becomes division, and division becomes multiplication. Did you get it? Now therefore 17p is equal to addition of these two, 51. Now here 17 into p means here product, multiplication, and this 17 we take to the right side. 17 into p, here multiplication or product. When we take this 17 to the right side, then this 17 becomes denominator, here division, here multiplication becomes division. Did you get it? Okay, then 17 ones are 17, 17 threes are 51. Therefore value of variable p is 3. Always we want value of variable, and that is alone with coefficient 1. Coefficient 1. If any coefficient other than 1, then take that coefficient to the right or left side. Right or left side. Did you get it? And variable should be positive. We want variable positive, always positive. Did you get it? Now second example, see here, same to same. 2m plus 7 is equal to 9. Now which are like terms here? Very good, 7 and 9. He didn't understand 2m. We take 7 near 9. Means we take this plus 7 to the right side. Like terms together. Like terms together. And always we want variable positive. See here, positive. No sign. Means which sign? Plus. Now we take 7 to the right side. Plus 7 becomes minus 7. 9 minus 7. Therefore 2m is equal to 2. Now, what is next step? M is equal to 2 upon 2, because here multiplication becomes division. Therefore, M is equal to 2 ones are 2. Therefore, M is equal to 1. Did you get it? Very simple. He didn't understand alone. Next, example number 3. 3x plus 12 is equal to 2x minus 4. Now, see here 3x and here 2x like terms, because here variable x, here also variable x, along with coefficients 3 and 2. Did you get it? Only one variable x, but that variable is along with 3 and 2, coefficients 3 and 2. Okay, and 12 and minus 4, these are another like terms. Okay, now 3x is bigger than 2x. Therefore, I have told you many times, we want variable should be positive, variable should be positive. So take this smaller near bigger. Therefore 3x, this plus 2x becomes minus 2x to left, plus becomes minus, is equal to, now these are also like terms, we write this as it is, and we take this plus 12 to the right side, becomes minus. Did you get it? Therefore 3x minus 2x means 1x, but write x is equal to, both signs are same, give that same sign. Here no multiplication division, here addition. So here minus 4 minus 12, give that same sign and add these two numbers. Therefore minus 16, x is equal to minus 16. We want this variable should be positive. I have told you many times. Then next, 4, 5 in bracket x minus 3 is equal to 3 in bracket x plus 2. Now here product 5 into means product between or multiplication between 5 and this bracket, 3 into this bracket. Okay, then we multiply inside terms by this 5, multiplication. See here 5 into x, 5x, here plus no sign, then we say plus into minus, product of opposite signs, plus into minus, no, minus into plus, minus, product of same signs, always plus, positive, 5 into 3, 15, here 3 into x, 3x, here plus, no sign means plus into plus, product of same signs, always plus, positive, 3 into 2, 6, Now what is next step? Tell me. What is next step? Very good. Very good. See this? See this? Same to same example. Very good. Is equal to 5x minus 3x. I have told in this example number 3, take smaller, near, bigger, like terms. First identify like terms and take them together. Take them together. See this 3x, 2x like terms. Here also same 5x, 3x like term. 1, 2, 3, 4. They didn't understand. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now what is next? Very good. Very good. We take like terms together, but like terms with variable, those are very, very important, because we want variable positive. So always take smaller, near, bigger. Therefore 5x minus 2x, 3x means 2x, is equal to 6 plus 15 means 21. Therefore x is equal to your product. So goes to the right side, becomes division. This is your answer. X is equal to 21 upon example number 5. 9x upon 8 plus 1 is equal to 10. Now see this. 9 upon 8 into x. This term is different than 1 and 10. Now which are like terms here?
1 plus 1.
Very good. Therefore, we take these together, and I have told you many times, we want variable always positive. Here that is positive, no sign, means which sign? Plus. So keep this as it is. 9x upon 8 is equal to 10 minus 1, plus becomes minus 1. Did you get it? Now, therefore 9x upon 8 is equal to 9. Now this 8 is denominator. We want value of x. Therefore, see this. We keep this x as it is. Here, x we want positive. We keep as it is. See this carefully. Now, this original 9, this denominator comes at right side, becomes numerator. Denominator becomes numerator to the right side. It is at left side, goes to right, then denominator becomes numerator and numerator becomes denominator. 9 cancelled. Therefore x is equal to 8. Did you get it? If not, then tell me. 6th, y upon 7 plus y minus 4 upon 3 is equal to 2. Now see this. These are two fractions. Here plus sign, sometimes minus also. Then see, these are fractions, here plus or minus, then cross multiplication. Cross multiplication means we equate denominators. You may have studied in 5th, 6th standard. Equate denominators of given fractions like this. See here, this way. Suppose here 2 upon 3 plus, suppose here 5 upon 4. No, then we equate denominators this way. 2 upon 3. We take this denominator and multiply to both these. You know this method? And plus we write this fraction and we take this denominator and multiply to this both. See here, 3 into 4, 3 into 4 and 4 into 3. Did you get it? But here cross multiplication, not taking 3 here like that. Cross multiplication. Okay? See here. 3 into y. 3 into y. What is 3y? Then plus 7, we take this and multiply to this bracket. Did you get it? No. Means we multiply to this by this and product of these two or multiplication of these two. Did you get it? He didn't get it. You get it? Okay. Then 7 into 3. 7 into 3? 21 is equal to 2. Now, therefore, 3y, okay, plus, and this is also plus. So, 7 into y, 7y, plus into minus, product of opposite signs, always negative, plus into minus, 7 into 4, 28. And we take this denominator to the right side. Then 2 into 21. Did you get it? Then see this. Or we write here 3y plus 7y. What is 3y plus 7y? 10y minus 28 is equal to 2 into 21, 42. Then what is next step?
42 and y
very good.
plus 19.
Very good. Clever boy. Very good. Therefore, 10y is equal to 70. Addition of these two. Therefore, y is equal to 70 upon 10. Therefore, y is equal to 7. Only these two boys understood these examples. Okay, then 7th. 13x minus 5 is equal to 3 upon 2. Okay, now which are like terms here? Which are like terms?
32 minus 2 and 5 and
Very good. Minus 5 and 3 upon 2, because here variable along with coefficient 13. So this is different than these two. I have told you since beginning. Therefore, 13x is equal to, we take this to the right side. Okay, minus becomes plus. We write 5 upon 1. Why? Because this is fraction. This is fraction, so we convert this 5 into fraction, 5 upon 1. Did you get it? Did you get it? See this. We write this as it is because these are like terms. We take this 5 only here. Minus 5 becomes what? Plus. 5 upon 1 means what? 5. What is difficulty in this? Did you get it? (13x) cross multiplication 1 into 3, 3 plus 2 into 5, 10 upon 2 into 1, 2. Therefore, 13x is equal to 3 plus 10, 13 upon 2. Now here 13 into x, multiplication or product. So x is equal to 13 upon 2, and here multiplication, no? So we take this 13 as denominator. Did you get it? 13, 13 cancelled. Here 13 into 1 is 13. Therefore, x is equal to 1 upon 2. This is our value of x. Example number 8. 3 in bracket y plus 8 is equal to 10 in bracket y minus 4 plus 8. Okay. Now here, see this. Multiplication or product between 3 and bracket. Here 10 and bracket. Okay. Therefore, our first step, 3 into y, 3y plus 3 into 8, 3 into 8, 24. 10 into is equal to 10 into y, 10y, plus into minus, minus. Always write first signs. Plus into minus, minus. 4, 10 into 4, 40. Here plus 8. Did you get it? Now 3y and 10y, these are like terms. Okay, before that, see here. 3y plus 24 is equal to 10y. Now minus 40 plus 8, like terms. Which is bigger, 40 or 8? 40. We put sign of bigger. Signs are opposite, so subtraction. 40 minus 8, 32. Now here 3y and 10y. I have told you, when variable along with coefficients, then select bigger coefficient with variable and bring smaller coefficient with variable near bigger. Then what is next step? Very good. 10y, 10y minus, see this, plus no, goes here, minus 3y. Very good. That boy is clever. This is bigger, this is smaller. So we take this smaller near bigger. Very good. Now, see this. We take this 3y to the right, and this minus 32 and 24 are like terms. Then what is next? 24, we bring this to left. Minus 32, we bring to left. Minus becomes plus. Now addition of these two. Therefore, 56 is equal to subtraction 7y. Therefore, y is equal to 56 upon 7. Therefore, y is equal to 8. Did you get it? Very simple ideas are there. Still you don't know. 9th. X minus 9 upon x minus 5 is equal to 5 upon 7. Now here is equal to sign, here fraction, and right hand side also fraction. Then cross multiplication. 7 into this. See here, 7 bracket x minus 9. Here equal to sign. Don't write denominator now. When equal to sign, then only cross multiplication of these two and these two. 5 into x minus 5. Did you get it? Cross multiplication only. Therefore, 7x. Here plus minus. Plus into minus. 7 into 9. Okay. Is equal to, means 7x minus 63 is equal to 5 into x. 5x plus into minus 5 into 5. Now what is next step?
7x
minus 5x. We take smaller near bigger and take this to the right. See this, original minus 25. We take this to the right. Minus becomes plus. Okay. Therefore, next step with 7x minus 5x means 2x is equal to 63 and 25. Which is bigger? Then 63 is positive. So plus, both signs are opposite, then subtraction. Okay, subtraction. What is 38? Therefore, x is equal to 38 upon 2. Therefore, x is equal to 19. 2 ones and 2 nines. Okay. Then example number 10. See the same example. Y minus 4 upon 3 plus 3y is equal to 4. Okay. Now see this. We eliminate this 3, denominator 3. We eliminate denominator 3. So B multiplies here. Multiplying equation by 3 means multiplying both sides. We write here both sides of equation, multiplying both sides of equation by 3. Okay, see this, multiply, therefore 3 into y minus 4, we only multiply to each and every term by 3 plus multiply to this. No, we multiply to each and every term, this and this, all three terms by 3. 4 into 3. Did you get it? We multiply both the sides of this equation by 3. See this. 3 cancelled. Therefore, y minus 4 plus 3 into 3 and this y is equal to 4 into 3, 12. Now 9y plus 1y, 9y plus 1y, 10y, like terms, no? And we take this to the right side. 12 plus 4. Did you get it? Therefore, 10y is equal to 16. Therefore, y is equal to 16 upon 10. 2 5 2 8. Therefore, y is equal to 8 upon 5. 8 upon 5. Write this. Example number 11. B plus bracket B plus 1 bracket complete plus bracket B plus 2 upon 4 is equal to 21. Now we take this denominator to the right side. Therefore, B plus 1. Now take outside all terms because they are positive plus, so take outside because this is positive, so remains same, plus B plus 2 is equal to 21 into 4. Here division goes to right, becomes multiplication. Now how many times B? 1 2 3. Therefore 3B plus 1 plus 2, 3 is equal to 21 into 4, 84. Now 3 and 84 are like terms. Then we take together. Then this plus 3 becomes minus. Did you get it? Therefore, B is equal to, see this, 84 minus 3 means 81, and here multiplication, no? Therefore 3 becomes denominator. Did you get it? Therefore B is equal to 3 2 6, 3 7 21. Therefore answer is equal to B is equal to 27.